Today I'll be talking about this fragrance at the beach by Bath and Body Works. So this one I wanted to sell out, and that's the reason why I wanted to do this review so that I can tell you how this smells like exactly, and in just simple words, and you can know what this smells like. So the notes are white Firangapani blossom, toasted coconut, bergamot waters, sea salt breeze, sun-kissed musk. It, white sand, warm sunlight, fresh waves. Life is more beautiful at the beach. So, to my nose, at the beach smells like a very sharp coconut fragrance. Let's just spray it and tell you what exactly I mean by that. I do like the golden nozzle it has. In the first note, I get the white floral, a very creamy opening with the white florals and very fresh and creamy white floral that is not too strong. That is what I get. And at the top note, I get a creaminess very similar along with white floral. Creaminess of this fragrance has like a mix of coconut in it, coconut shavings in it, that feels like a creamy coconut along with white florals. It is a very creamy coconut. The first time when I bought it, it smelled exactly like a parachute coconut. But now that it has macerated well in the bottle, I can see it has become creamy. It feels of it has a very prominent creamy coconutty fragrance with a refreshing backdrop to it, and along with white florals. And as it dries down, the coconuttiness reduce, like it becomes stronger along with slight musk in the background, which is not even noticeable if you have like a very immature nose, or if you are not used to sniffing fragrance, you won't be able to sniff the musk or the like the clean waters, bergamot waters in it. But yeah, it's basically a creamy coconut fragrance, but it might seem like a parachute coconut to some people in the beginning if you buy it from like store. You have to let it macerate, you have to let the fragrance sit in your cupboard for a while to get this creamy coconut, otherwise it will smell straight up like parachute coconut. Now that it has dried down a bit, it's a parachute coconut with slight creaminess, I would say. That parachute coconut hair oil. I don't know how people like this fragrance, but I am not a fan of this, and hence I'm selling it out. Yeah, you do get, but it is creamy. Yeah, I just don't like this fragrance that much. So yeah, do let me know in the comment section below if you smell something different. It has that musk in the background, but I cannot go further like beyond. It has some creamy coconut in it, but it has the presence of that parachute coconut too, which is slight, but it sort of irritates me. So yeah, that was my review on Bat the Beach Bath and Body Works. It's a creamy coconut with like clean background, a clean mask. It smells a lot better now that it has like sat on my wardrobe. Yeah, it smells much better. So yeah, if you want to add a coconut fragrance to your collection, I would say go for this one. If you are a coconut lover, you would definitely like this. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.